When it comes to maintaining a comfortable, beautiful, and cost-effective home, Tuscaloosa homeowners are making a smart choice: energy-efficient window replacement. With rising energy costs, unpredictable Alabama weather, and growing interest in sustainable living, more families are upgrading their homes with windows designed to save money, boost comfort, and enhance curb appeal. Lower energy bills all year round. One of the biggest reasons homeowners in Tuscaloosa invest in energy-efficient windows is the dramatic savings on utility bills. Traditional single-pane windows often allow heated or cooled air to escape, forcing HVAC systems to work harder. In a climate where summers are hot and humid and winters can bring chilly nights, that inefficiency quickly adds up. Energy-efficient windows use advanced technology such as double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and insulated frames to minimize heat transfer. This keeps cool air inside during the summer and warmth inside during the winter. Over time, these savings can offset the initial cost of replacement, making them a financially smart investment. A comfortable home in every season. Tuscaloosa residents know how quickly weather can shift from blazing sun to chilly rain. Energy-efficient windows create a more consistent indoor environment. By reducing drafts and blocking excessive solar heat gain, these windows maintain a steady, comfortable temperature throughout the house. Families notice fewer cold spots in the winter and less heat buildup in rooms exposed to the afternoon sun. This improved comfort not only makes daily living more enjoyable but also reduces the need for constant thermostat adjustments. Protecting your home's interior beyond comfort and energy savings, energy-efficient windows offer an often overlooked benefit: protection from the sun's harmful ultraviolet (UV) rays. Standard glass lets in UV light that can fade furniture, flooring, and decor. Energy-efficient windows, with their specialized coatings, block a significant portion of UV radiation. For homeowners who have invested in hardwood floors, elegant drapes, or upholstered furniture, this protection preserves beauty and prevents costly replacements over time. Reducing environmental impact. Tuscaloosa homeowners are increasingly aware of the importance of sustainable choices. Energy-efficient windows contribute to a greener lifestyle by lowering household energy consumption. Less demand on the power grid means fewer greenhouse gas emissions and a smaller carbon footprint. By upgrading to modern, eco-friendly windows, families can feel confident they're doing their part for the environment while enjoying practical benefits for their homes. Increased home value and curb appeal. Window replacement isn't just about function, it's also about style. Energy-efficient windows are available in a wide variety of designs, colors, and finishes that can complement any Tuscaloosa home's architecture. Whether you own a historic Southern-style house or a modern build, new windows can instantly refresh your property's look. Buyers today also look for homes with energy-efficient features. Installing upgraded windows can make your home stand out in the real estate market, offering a strong return on investment if you ever decide to sell. Peace and quiet. Tuscaloosa can be a lively city, with bustling neighborhoods, busy roads, and active college life. Energy-efficient windows provide an added bonus: noise reduction. Their insulated glass and tighter seals help block outside noise, creating a quieter, more peaceful home environment. For families living near traffic or student housing, this feature is especially valuable. Why now is the right time? Energy-efficient window replacement is more than just a trend, it's a smart, long-term decision. With energy costs continuing to rise, and weather patterns becoming increasingly unpredictable, Tuscaloosa homeowners can't afford to put off upgrades that deliver year-round savings, comfort, and protection. From reducing energy bills to boosting resale value and contributing to a healthier planet, the benefits are undeniable. That's why more and more Tuscaloosa families are choosing to invest in energy-efficient windows and enjoying the rewards for years to come.